Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services. And this morning, when we started off with the trade, the markets were trading in the green. But as I speak to you around noon, this Monday afternoon, the morning gains have been given off and a slight bit of lower levels on the markets. To give you certain levels, Sensex is down about 100 points at 60,160. Nifty is down about 50 points at 17,900 or so. Nifty Bank or Bank Nifty down about 100 points, 42,270. And the levels on rupee and crude oil, rupee is a little bit weak, but sizable amount of strength last week on the rupee. Rupee dollar equation 81.37 rupees to dollar. And the levels on the Brent and NYMEX energy basket 84.65 dollars to a barrel on the Brent and $79.31 to a barrel as far as NYMEX is concerned. So I think downtake on the crude oil side, a little bit of weakness in terms of uh, rupee and of course in terms of the markets. Our sense is that we may possibly see an extended version of this consolidation. It can possibly take us some more time before we eventually move out of these levels. The reason being is no incremental positive news or negative news coming through. In fact, just to give you a little bit of data point that we noticed last week, and we had also mentioned in our commentary last week on Wednesday, the importance of 17,800. Now, on Friday last week, we broke the level of 17,800. We went down intraday, but the closing was much, much higher. That means on Friday, the market broke those levels. But at the same time, by the time we did wind up the trade, markets recovered quite smartly. So, and we had also mentioned that it is very prudent to see whether we give a close below 17,800. So, as long as we are above these levels, and if we do not give a decisive breach of 17,800 and a close below that, I think we are relatively in a safer zone. The WPI data that came in just a while back was very supportive, very strong numbers over the last couple of months, and hope that the CPI data also is quite supportive. This will only reinforce our confidence that yes, uh, practically at ground level we are heading lower as far as the inflation numbers are concerned, but we'll have to see cumulative data, not just 1 or 2 months data. So this range will remain, friends, 17,800 on the lower side, 18,150, 18,200 on the higher side. Will oscillate between these two levels. And from a short to medium term, as we go closer to those lower levels, you can do a little bit of buying. Higher levels, try to book profits if you are a trader. If you are an investor, I think you should use all the opportunities on the downside to accumulate great quality stocks. On the earnings front, the third quarter, whatever numbers we have seen from the IT pack have been very, very supportive, and hope that the remaining numbers of the IT companies are on the better side, which may relatively protect the downside or the pressure on the Nifty because of the IT weightage. And this is also positive. Banks, well, HDFC Bank delivered numbers much, much better than street estimates. And it only goes to prove that what kind of wealth creator HDFC Bank has been for long-term investors. So we hope that the third quarter does not disappoint and we stay afloat. And the markets, after spending a brief period of consolidation, let us hope that we prepare ourselves to propel on the higher side and take off the all-time highs and stay above that. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. And before I say goodbye to all of you, as always, we give two investment ideas. So first one is from an auto ancillary pack, Uno Minda. Uh, this is a company which is diversified product profile, caters to different set of vehicles and has certain crucial role to play as far as the safety of vehicle is concerned. Levels at where it is trading attractive for long-term investors. So from first pick is from auto ancillary Uno Minda. Second one is from a, you can say, a diversified company or a specialty chemicals oriented company, that is SRF. Has been consolidating for a long period of time, and China plus one policy Europe Plus One policy will enable Indian specialty and chemicals manufacturing companies, agrochemicals manufacturing companies to do well, not only at home ground but also in the overseas market. So, two investment ideas: Uno Minda and SRF. These are long-term investment ideas, so please bear in mind that you should have at least year plus kind of a time horizon. Once again, thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.